my name is Dory O'Neill, and I'm here to talk about your success. You deserve success. You're here, you're taking the time to watch, learn, and try and find things that will make a difference in your online success. And today, I'm going to share with you something that many people online will hate. And that is the fact that throughout history, it has been proven that the concept of mentorship is something that will help you succeed. For centuries, people have been mentored to success. Even greats like Leonardo da Vinci had their mentors in their lives that guided them to success. If you look at world leaders, they'll often talk about the people that helped lead them to success. And so you're looking to make money online. You're looking at master affiliate profits as a potential to help you make money online. And I want to let you know that I am 1000% dedicated to master affiliate profits and the concepts, teaching, and training that John Thornhill, Omar, and Melinda Martin have put together within the Master Affiliate Profits platform. I think it's amazing, but there is a serious missing element from the affiliates that represent and market master affiliate profits. Now, in many cases, it's not their fault, but it is the fault of the affiliate marketing industry to allow the perversion that occurs to occur throughout the affiliate marketing world. And what is that perversion? It's the fact that when somebody gets involved in online marketing, teaching, training, and they represent a product, that they want to charge you for mentorship. Throughout history, mentors have provided their services to students like you without charge. However, there's a fee associated with it. The mentor insists that the mentee provide energy back, that they follow through, that they're responsible. So if that's you, if you're truly a person that wants to make money online and you're considering master affiliate profits and the platform, and you're going online and you're looking at all of these videos that are out there, the one thing that is true, the one thing that is solid and foundational is that master affiliate profits, the platform itself, is built in a solid fashion. It's built with you in mind. The training, the materials, the resources that John, Omar, and the team have put together are absolutely outstanding. But what's also true is that they don't have the bandwidth, nor perhaps even the experience to provide the one-on-one and the unique support that you need to succeed. So you're going to join Master Affiliate Profits if it's not through me, and you're going to see that there's a lot of materials, a lot of course materials. Well, the one thing that's true about life, no matter how great you are, no matter how good and successful you become, you have only 24 hours in a day, the same as the greatest among us, to actually make something happen. And the real truth is that many of the people that are looking to join an affiliate marketing program and that want to make money online have an already existing job. And they're doing this part-time so that they can break through from the chains of a job to the freedom that owning an online business can offer. And so I'm here to explain to you what I'm prepared to do. I believe in pure mentorship. So when you join my Master Affiliate Profits team, you're going to gain my services as a mentor for free. In addition to gaining my services as a mentor, I'm also going to give you some very valuable done-for-you bonuses that include a YouTube viral funnel, which allows your clients, your contacts, your leads to come into a viral funnel and get familiar with what Master Affiliate Profits offers. They're going to be educated as they go through the 10-part YouTube viral funnel, which I'll give to you if you become a paid member with Master Affiliate Profits. And below each video is going to be your link to join. So by doing that, what I'm providing you with is a time saver. So that's going to be set up for you within days of you joining my team. In addition to the YouTube viral funnel, what you'll also get from me as a paid Master Affiliate Profits member is you'll also get access to the done-for-you email sequences. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. So normally when you join Master Affiliate Profits, you get access to the platform and you've got to spend between 100 and 150 hours of learning, going through the courses. What I'm doing is I'm giving you a shortcut. I'm supercharging the speed from the day you join to the moment that you'll make your first sale dramatically. You're going to be able to be in business and making money sooner when you join my team, because you're going to get that YouTube viral funnel and you're going to get the done for you email sequences. But my mentorship goes even further, and my mentoring doesn't just stick with me. I have other mentors that are part of my team that are there to provide their mentoring services to you, again, for absolutely free if you're part of my Master Affiliate Profits team. So when you do run into a challenge, it's difficult to get a concise answer from John Thornhill or Omar Martin because they're busy. But when you join my team, you're going to have access to get to me one-on-one when it's practical. What you'll always have access to is my live sessions that I do, and the live sessions that the other mentors that are part of my team offer. So in conclusion, if you want to make money faster, if you want to make money and have unlimited access to mentors that are there for you at no cost to you to help you make money online, then I would seriously suggest that you join Master Affiliate Profits via my affiliate link or through a member of my team's affiliate link and gain access to the done-for-you services that we offer, but also that access to one-on-one mentoring that my team offers. That's a game changer in the industry. And by the way, in closing, I want to let you know, Master Affiliate Profits is the only affiliate program that I will be marketing, that I will be sharing with others. And so that means that my focus is on Master Affiliate Profits. And if you join my team, that means my focus is on you. My focus is on helping you become successful and make money online. Please subscribe. Please ask a question in the comment section. I'd love to answer it because it helps the group. Please like this video, and we'll see you on the success side of Master Affiliate Profits. My name's Dory O'Neill. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.